One, this morning my boiler stopped working again. Um, but um, but it's okay now. Just want to record a video and share with you. Hope that can help you as well. So as I showed you before, I got a couple of videos. Similar issue, similar error, and a similar sound as well. So when that issue happened, you will hear a lot of noise from the boiler, and you also can hear water floating inside of the boiler. You will hear a lot of noise. Looks like someone is kicking your boiler inside, and you hear a lot of water floating, and it will not able to stop, and then you will see a flashing light here, right? The issue here is because the cold weather very recently, especially today and this morning, and because I have a pipe go outside my basin here, my basin's sink pipe will go outside, and because the weather, so it get blocked. And why that's blocked and causing my boiler issue, right? The whole reason is that I have wound this pipe and wound this wet pipe, and that wet pipe come out from my boiler, you can see from there, and then just come out from here, and then connect with my bathing from there, and then that's go outside to outside of my house. Yeah, that's go outside of my house. So the pipe go outdoor, right? Right. But that you may ask, what is pipe for? And because I got someone did a service for me before Christmas, I'll ask them, what is this pipe? So what they told me is that those pipes here, those corn, those metal pipes, water go in and go out, but that one is waste water. That's waste. That's for waste. Okay, why we have waste come out from boiler? That's because when the boiler is working, it will generate moisture, like generate steam, and steam will become water, and that water will come out. So this is something also called condensation, right? The water, the moisture and the steam will become water, and that will come out from there, and then that will come here and go with my go into that pipe, and go outside. All right. And because of the cold water, when this boiler is working, it will keep condensation, keep doing the condensation, or keep generating a very small amount of water, like drip. Okay, not huge, like drip. So what happening here is because the weather today is very super cold. So when you have a very small amount of water go outside of to your pipe and go outdoor, that will slowly build up, and then become ice, and then it will become icy, and it will block your pipe. Eventually it will build up very slowly. But if you use your basin, just do a normal wash or brush your teeth or whatever, so because you will put a lot of water in, water will slow out and go directly goes to the main pipe, so it doesn't really stay in the small pipe or size. But your boiler will generate a very small amount of water, and that water will become ice, and it will slowly build up and eventually block a pipe or site. And but it's fine. It should be okay as soon as it's unblocked. So your boiler should back to normal. Okay. Hope that hope you found this useful, and hope you fix your issue as well.